pressure to drive the high speed hand piece, as well also the low speed hand piece. Okay, just to orientate you around. Okay, this is the compressor. This is the air tank, right? iM3 uses air tank because to stabilize pressure. Okay, most others would use direct feed of pressure. This is your direct pressure gauge, straight from your instrument. Generally, this should be kept between 90 to 120. Yeah, but not to worry about it. It just basically measures the output pressure from the compressor into the air tank. Okay, so basically what happens is if the pressure in the air tank reduces up to 70 psi, right? The compressor will kick in and pressurize it up to 120 again. Okay. This is your low pressure gauge, right? It should be kept between 80 to 90. Yeah, but this is actually factory preset already. Okay. In any case, if you realize that this is out of range, right? How do you actually adjust the pressure? It's actually by pulling this knob up and increase or decrease, right? But you don't need to touch it now. Okay. Yeah, right now it's not pressurized, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you pressurize?
Yeah, I'll just run through the whole.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he'll start from bottom up now.
Bottom
Yeah,
up. Oh, okay,
easier.
good.
So then it's consistent. Yeah, everyone
So
easier.
all clear? Anything below here? Okay. Right here, there's this switch. Okay. With any CE marked equipment, there is a need to have a safety switch, but sometimes this safety switch can be a pain. Yeah. Okay. Because some users may accidentally turn it off and assume that the whole thing is not working. Yeah, but in any case, if you find that the compressor is not working, not kicking in, check whether
Troubleshooting number one, step one, maybe someone accidentally turned it off.
Look at it closely. There's a 1 and 0. Okay, there's a 0 here, 1 here, right? So this is in the on position. This is off position. Okay. All right. Okay. And back here there's a trip protection device, such that if there's a trip, right, there is a button, as mentioned here, push to reset. Okay, back here. Anything? Any other questions? Okay. This would be the direct valve to feed pressure into the whole system. The head unit, right? Okay. In the head unit itself, okay, when it's in line, it is feeding. When this is off, okay. Back here you see 2 bottles. Okay, iM3 uses has got, as you know, the green bottle, the CLS.
I think we delivered all the consumables. Yeah.
Right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ta-da.
Just do product introduction also. Yeah.
This is what they call a CLS solution. This is actually a mixture of chlorhexidine and a tinge of spearmint, I think.
Spearmint.
Yeah.
Yeah. So chlorhexidine is to basically disinfect,
So
but they have a nice scent as well because most
When an animal first comes in, generally they're in
they
for
don't smell very pleasant lah.
seafood, and then they don't really smell good, right? So what you can do is actually use the 3-way syringe to just spray off and remove the smell.
It's how when we go for our dental, maybe that's why they do that too. So they will spray and cleanse, disinfect, and then
Okay.
so that's what they do.
The
Vets and
the
stuff.
white bottle in back here.
Turn around.
The clear bottle, iM3, the convention is very simple. Clear water, right?
Yeah.
They use brown for the CLS solution. Okay. And also, if you happen to mix up which is CLS or which is water, the piping tells you blue for water, green pipe. Okay.
Yeah, it's color coded, so it's easy to remember which
The green
consumable.
piping is actually for
Matches the green CLS
Yes.
bottle.
Okay. So
And the water that you would put in that clear bottle would have to be distilled water, so you have to prepare on hand. You know, you can buy the big one.
iM3 recommends distilled water solely because water from tap, there's minerals, you know, it will clog the piping and all.
Yeah, and creates
over time.
yeah.
This would be the exhaust. I'll explain exhaust blowback of lubricant, right, into this container here. Not to worry, although this is a consumable, but in the lifetime of an instrument, you'll never get to fill this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So far we haven't.
Yeah.
I mean, the machines that have been used for 10
Right.
years, still it's not necessary to replace that yet. Yeah.
Okay. So far, okay.
So this would be the basic operational
This-
stuff.
Then moving on to the head unit itself. Okay, iM3 uses a direct AC socket. Okay, and you can actually parallel if you have the scaler. Your scaler would be connected directly to this water source, right? And then it can be powered through here.
So good. We should have it. Sorry. Never mind.
Oh, you mean the iM3 scaler?
Yeah, I tried. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. In any case, okay.
Michael, can I stop you there? They have their own scaler. When I spoke to Dr. Teng, they asked if it could be connected. That's why we ordered that connector
Can I have a look at the scaler?
from iM3, because in order to connect any external scalers, right, that's not iM3, we understand that they needed that. Yeah, so we bundled it in anyway, just in the event that they wanted to. Yeah, so they may choose not to connect it to the iM3 unit, but we ordered that connector.
The flexibility is you are able to connect.
We can. Can you do it for us later on?
But we don't have the connector
don't
yet.
have
We
it.
ordered it from iM3 that's going to be shipped from Australia. Yeah.
Right. Okay then.
So basically, what the connector is actually like a clip connector that connects to this one back here.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Okay. Back to the orientation of the front. Okay, this is the solution switch. Whether you want to select through water or CLS solution. Okay. This will be a selector for low speed handpiece or high speed handpiece. Right. And this will be a pressure gauge. I will explain later. Okay. Coolant on off. This is actually a switch to pressurize the bottle. Okay. When I power on, you all will understand. This will be the control for the amount of solution. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Why is no one petting me?
This will be the control for the amount of solution coming out from your high-speed handpiece or the three-way switch. Okay. I think three-way switch is direct. Okay. Then right here we have your low-speed handpiece. Okay. Low-speed handpiece. iM3 comes with a 4:1 straight nose cone, which means wait, let me see. Yeah, because these handpieces are revolving at 50,000 RPM. Okay, so this actually converts down to a quarter of that. Okay. Again, this is a three-way range.
Hello.
One being the air,
Yes.
and one being the water, or you have a
I'm
cocktail
sorry, I'm in a meeting right now.
mist. Okay. This would be the high-speed handpiece. Okay, the high-speed handpiece features what we LED. Okay. Now, bear in mind, although this is a good technology to have, it is more important that handpieces are so-called maintained, and also you need to understand the mechanism behind it. Okay, this would be the hardest working component on this machine, right? Because this is a turbine with a dynamo that lights this up. If you notice later on when I show you, the LED doesn't make use of electricity. As when the turbine is driven, the LED
It powers up the light, yeah.
Okay. I'll explain later why the operation behind it. Okay, any questions so far? Okay. Let me just power on it.